Standard 12 Commerce, subject Statistics Part 2, in which we take the practical example based on normal probability distribution. In our textbook, Statistics Part 2, on page number 108, illustration example number 5. Average monthly income, mu, means mean is rupees 15,000 and its standard deviation sigma rupees 4,000. Mu equal to rupees 15,000 and sigma st equal to rupees 4,000. It is given. Now find the probability that monthly income remains within the range 10,000 and 25,000. This is x1 and this is considered as x2. The normal variate should be converted into the standard normal variate z1 and z2. z1 is given by x1 minus mu upon sigma, z2 is given by x2 minus mu upon sigma. 10,000, mu is 15,000, sigma is 4,000. x2 25,000 minus 15,000 upon 4,000. This simplification will give the answer as minus 5,000 by 4,000 means minus 1.25. And value of z2 10,000 upon 4,000 means 2.5. The area between minus 1.25 and 2.5. This diagram, this figure must be shown, must be drawn, right? Normal for z equal to 0 in the center, infinity plus, infinity minus, minus 1.25 here somewhere and 2.5 here. And this is the shaded portion is the required region or the probability. X means normal variate between 10,000 and 25,000. It is same as z between minus 1.25 and 2.5. तो क्या होगा? minus 1.25 से लेकर 0 तक और 0 से लेकर 2.5 तक. But we know that minus 1.25 to 0 it is same as 0 to 1.25 and 0 to 2.5. Now the table value means statistical table, Z table on page number 212 in our textbook part 2. If you see 1.25, the related area is 0.3944 and for 2.5 the related area is 0.4958. See the table, keep textbook with you. Addition of these two numbers is 0.8882 is the answer, means it is required probability for this result number or answer number 1. This calculation, this diagram and final answer, this simplification is more important. See, this type of example can be asked in section E, that is for 4 marks, and be careful about this example, this type of example. The second case in this example, case number 2. Find out the percentage that a person having the income between 12,000 and 22,000. Now this is also x1 and x2. From x1 we can obtain z1, obtain z2. x1 minus mu upon sigma, z2 x2 minus mu upon sigma. This is x1 and x2. Right? 12,000 minus 15,000 upon 4,000. Minus 3 by 4 means minus 0.75. This is 7 by 4 means 1.75. Value of z1 and value of z2. This calculation must be shown in your main answer book. Then and then you will get complete 4 marks. Both the cases can be asked simultaneously together for the 4 marks. Now probability x between 12,000 and 22,000, it is same as z between minus 0.75 and 1.75. फिर से यही कहानी हम दोहराएंगे that minus 0.75 से लेकर 0 तक और 0 से लेकर 1.75 तक. This diagram से हमको पता चलता है कि कहाँ पे हमको प्लस करना है और कब हमको माइनस करना है. When to subtract and when to add, right? But minus 0.75 से लेकर 0 तक it is equivalent to 0 से लेकर 0.75 तक, 0 to 1.75. The related area table value shows for 0.75 it is 0.2734 and for 1.75 it is 0.4599. right? Addition of these two quantity is 0.7333. But this answer is required in terms of percentage, and that is why the final probability should be multiplied by 100 in order to express in terms of percentage. Hence, required percentage are 0.7333 into 100 means 73.33% of the persons or employees will have the salary or income between 12,000 and 22,000. Answer or result number 2. This complete your example, but you must practice minimum 10 number of the example of the same type. Then good practice or great achieve on this chapter. Majority of the students neglect this chapter because diagram, calculation, plus, minus, but it is so simple than the other chapter. If you can understand one time idea clear, concept clear, then not so hard. This chapter is also easy, but you must understand from basic, right? See you. Okay, thank you everybody.